Hi, my name is Griffin with Parker Hannifin. I'm the Business Development Manager for Electrification for Parker's Motion Systems Group. We're here to talk about technology that moves your world. And we're focused in four main areas. One is what we're traditionally known for, which is mobile hydraulics. And we have a number of innovations in that space. But we're also advancing our technology beyond what our traditional business has been, such as products that feature digitalization, such as control products, software, also digital twin models. We're talking about electrification, where we're taking our traditional technology and adding electric motor control to it, which allows us to operate off of batteries and reduce emissions and allow our customers to reduce their emissions. And then we're also talking about clean technology, which really is around hydrogen. So we have hydrogen fuel cell products, and also we can use hydrogen as a combustible fuel, and Parker's really specialized in moving that hydrogen around so that it can be used safely and used efficiently. So one of the things that we've done here at the Bauma stand is we have our X-ray machine. So a very common application for us in off-road is a wheel loader. So a lot of folks here make wheel loaders, so we kind of use that as our model. And this kind of allows us to show the different technologies that we can apply across a large machine like this. So it gets a little bumpy at the start, but so one of the things that we focused on, particularly with our hydraulic valve technology, is steer-by-wire. So we're able to use electronic control to manage the hydraulic system to safely and efficiently drive the steering system for the machine. Another technology we have is, especially when you have electronic control, you don't have that mechanical connection that an operator can typically feel. So we actually have a tactile feedback device which connects to a steering wheel and allows the operator to feel like they're driving a mechanical machine, even though everything's done electronically. And then one of the very common applications we're seeing now as our customers electrify their machines is electrohydraulic systems. So typically we would use a traditional centralized hydraulic system in combination with pumps and valves and cylinders. But and that's typically driven by the diesel engine. When we remove the diesel engine and we have an all-electric machine, we have to take that energy off the battery. So we have a very flexible and scalable line of permanent magnet AC motors, which are very torque dense and power dense, and allow us to take battery power and very efficiently turn that into hydraulic pressure and flow. So we call that a configured e-pump. So we've actually done a lot of testing to combine the capabilities of different pump technologies with our motors. So we really understand how these two components interact with each other and can provide very effective solutions. And then we're also featuring this year our next generation mobile inverters. So a lot of the machines that we're working with our customers on are operating at voltages between 400 and 800 volts DC. So we've developed what we call our global vehicle inverter, or GVI, and this is used in combination with our permanent magnet AC motors to provide highly efficient electronic motor control to drive the hydraulics and also to drive the traction function on these machines. And then, another technology that, maybe is hidden behind the machine is our ability to manage fluid conveyance, whether that's coolant for the electronic products or the hydraulic fluid as well. So we have a complete range of tubing, hoses, and fittings that allow us to manage both the coolant flow and then also the hydraulic fluid flow throughout the machine.